We've landed at Fukuoka. Medyo maginap. Okay, no? We are here at Fukuoka International Airport. Pasakay na tayo ng shuttle bus going to domestic airport from international airport. And from there, sasakay tayo ng subway going to Hakata Station. Sunod lang tayo sa kanila dahil hindi rin namin alam kung saan. Sasakay tayo ng subway going to Hakata Station. Kuha muna tayo ng ticket dito. Dito naman kami dito sa ATM, sa 7 Bank, hindi 7-Eleven kundi 7 Bank. Tingnan natin. Ang advice namin dito na kayo kumuha ng inyong kape. Yan, spine kami ng subway. Dito tayo sa subway waiting for our train.